If you have recently updated your iOS version or your iPhone and you're facing the keyboard issue right now on your phone just like me, that I cannot use my keyboard so smoothly and effortlessly on my iPhone available just after updating my software. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and let's start this video that how can you simply solve the keyboard issue in your new and the latest version of iOS. For this, you simply have to go to the setting of your iPhone and check that is your iPhone is supporting the latest version of iOS updated on it. So if your phone is working good, then it's totally fine. You have to click on the setting. On the search bar, you have to click keyboard and go to the keyboard setting. In the keyboard, you will see that there are 5 keyboards open right now, that is English, emoji, Hindi, GIF and Punjabi translation. You can add a new keyboard or you can simply reset a new keyboard from here. You can reset all the keys and here just switch off these some setting here like enable caps lock, character preview, shortcuts, auto correction. You simply have to switch it off. And you can also replace your text. You can one-handed keyboard on the left, on the right, so you can do anything or any keyboard setting from this menu. But if you don't get your solution still, you simply have to download a third-party keyboard from your app store. Right now I'm doing like this. Open your app store and search for keyboard. Here you will see a lot of best keyboards for you. You can download it and just use it on your iPhone. So this is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe to the channel for watching more videos and reviews like this.